At a time when Malaysia is all set to announce the winner of the tender for 18 light combat aircraft, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has announced that it has signed a memorandum of understanding to establish an office in Malaysia. The new office will help in tapping the new business opportunities for lead-in fighter trainer, light combat aircraft, and upgradation of Su-30 and Hawk trainer of Royal Malaysian Air Force. And there is also a potential for the induction of HTT-40 Dornier 228 and light combat helicopter by the Royal Malaysian Air Force. The office will also contribute in increasing serviceability of existing platforms operated by the Royal Malaysian Air Force and neighboring air forces in the region. Russia has announced that due to ongoing revisions in the design of the Su-75, its first flight has been delayed from 2023 to 2024. Russia plans to manufacture 4 prototypes of the Su-75 for developmental trials, and has confirmed that it will be offered to close allies like India and Vietnam first, when it is ready for production by mid-2027. A Russian defense industry delegation will soon travel to India to carry forward the talks for an upgrade of the Indian Air Force's Su-30 fighter jets. The upgrade will include better radar, a more potent weapons package, a new cockpit system, and the integration of electronic warfare abilities, and will bring the Su-30 MKIs at par with Russian Su-30 SM-2 standard. The local production of the AK-203 rifle under the joint venture between India and Russia has been delayed further, mainly due to unresolved issues between the two sides. Officials have said that there are issues related to transfer of technology from Russia which has to be addressed first, and the current situation in Eastern Europe has delayed the process of firming up the supply chain. Currently there is no clarity on supply chain, or who will be manufacturing the barrel of the rifle. As per latest information, the delivery of the first 2 advanced Tulwar-class frigates being built in Russia for the Indian Navy has been delayed by 6 months. Russia was confident to deliver the first 2 frigates by 2022, that was later delayed to 2023, but now due to the current situation in Eastern Europe, the first frigate is expected to be delivered by November 2023, and the second frigate by April 2024. A scale model of the Akash air defense system was showcased at a military exhibition of the Sudanese army, which hints at the possibility that the talks for the export of the Akash missile to the Sudanese army have concluded, but it has not been announced officially. The Defense Ministry is working on country-wise profiles for possible military exports, and is looking at countries in the Indian Ocean region and in Africa. Larsen & Toubro shipyard has completed the task of repairing the US Naval Ship Charles Drew, and the routine maintenance included repairs to safety and crew habitability systems and equipment. A top L&T official has said that the contract for repairing the US ship has opened the doors for many more similar opportunities. Chinese Defense Ministry has said that its troops will take part in the Vostok 2022 military exercise in Russia later this month, an exercise which will also see participation of the Indian Armed Forces. Meanwhile, there is no confirmation from the Indian Army or the Ministry of Defense on the participation of Indian soldiers in the Vostok 2022.